everybody, James here from Brantford Honda, aka Mr.BuyitWright. Today we're taking a look at the new 2020 Honda Civic Sport in the beautiful crystal black color. Let's take a peek. Alright, so taking a look at the outside of the Sport trim here. First thing that's going to pop out at you is these beautiful 18-inch rims. You have your LED headlights, fog lights. Love the aggressive look on the Sport trim. I'm partial to the black color myself, so I had to pick this one for a quick video. You got your HDMI slot looking exhaust at the back there, keeping that sporty look going. Let's take a look inside. This keyless proximity door fob, so all you have to do is have this on you now to unlock the doors. It also has a remote engine starter on it. So all you have to do to unlock it, grab your door, it's now unlocked. If you want to relock the doors when you're walking away, push that little black button. On the inside, you'll notice you have these very comfortable, sporty looking seats. They are power adjustable. Sport trim, you do have this leather wrapped sporty steering wheel. It has the paddle shifters on it as well, so you can change your gears with a little bit more control. And a full range controls right at your fingertips. This is your adaptive cruise control. When you push this button right here, it'll allow you to choose how many car lengths you want to be behind the person that is in front of you on the highway once your cruise is set. This is your lane keep assist. When that lights up white lines, is reading the lines on the road and you're going over 70 kilometers an hour. So what that does is it keeps you inside those lines with little assists if you start drifting away. On the left side of the wheel, you have your Bluetooth controls, voice control, all of your media controls, and this button right here, that controls your screen right behind here. So right now it's showing the fuel economy. You can have your maintenance up there, media, Bluetooth, or you can quickly switch between kilometers per hour and miles per hour if you hop the order. And just down below here, some more of your Honda sensing features. You have your forward collision warning, your lane mitigation, so that'll stop you from drifting over a solid line with some audible warnings, and then your traction control. And on the door, your power mirror and window switches. On the dash, you have an absolutely gorgeous touchscreen display here. One thing that is a little bit newer is you do have the volume knob here before it's a little touch panel. So customers complained to Honda they didn't love that, so they changed back to the volume knob. This is also a display for your backup camera. Now you got a couple different views. Right now it's showing you the wide angle view. That's great when you're backing in a parking space. You can see people coming from beside you. This is your normal view. Now as you turn the wheel, it's going to let you know where your vehicle is trending. And then you can choose to look straight down as well. So this is your rear bumper along here. This is great for when you're trying to park in tight with something like a wall or another car. You can do so without worrying about bumping into anybody. You do have quick controls here to jump from home screen, audio, phone, and whatnot. You do have a dual zone climate control panel. Very simple to use. You can also control your climate through the main screen up there. You also have heated seats on this model. Another great feature is when you signal to the right, you do have a blind spot camera that'll show you, just like the backup camera, what's on there. This shows you how many car lengths that person is behind you in your blind spot. Another great thing I love about that is you don't have to signal. So when I'm on the highway, I just push this button right here and it'll turn that camera on so I can always check my surroundings. You have your automatic gear shifter here. Econ mode, you pop that button on if you want to save some money on gas. Electronic parking brake with the new brake hold feature. Your center console here, you have tons of storage room. This is fully adjustable, does open up. You have a removable change holder here that you can tuck back. You can remove your cup holders as well or slide them around. You also have another cup holder down below if you have something nice and tall, and a USB charging port right at the bottom. And inside altogether, the Sport trim has beautiful trimmings to keep that sporty look throughout the Civic. This is almost a carbon fiber looking dash. Definitely love the way they did this for this trim. You also above have your one-touch sunroof, so you push this button back one time, your sunroof's gonna open up. Same thing to close it, one push. Let's take a look in the back. Thank you for watching. If you're in the market for a new Civic, go ahead and call or text me on my cell anytime. It's 519-732-5551. That's for any general vehicle information, order, arrange a test drive. Again, 519-732-5551.